Hello friends, in today's video we're going to download Sublime text editor. So the first thing that I'll do is I'll go to a browser and in that I will search Sublime text editor, or you can simply search Sublime. By searching that, the first thing that will pop up, the first link you will click, and by clicking on that link, that will redirect you to this page. This is the official page of Sublime text editor. So now you're gonna click on this download for Windows button, and if you have 34-bit Windows system, there is an option beside that. You can click on that -64, so I don't have to make any changes. And now I'm gonna save this file to a location on my desktop. So now I'm gonna wait till the thing is downloaded. Now you can see that it is downloaded. Now I'm gonna open that file by going to that location where I have saved it. I have saved it in the downloads. This is the file. It will name as Sublime Text 64 setup. Now I'm gonna right click on it and then click the open button. You can simply double click also, that will also do, and by clicking on that it will take some time. Then a pop-up will show up like this. This pop-up will show up, and now you're gonna specify the file location where you will save it. I will save it to another drive named drive F. Then I'm gonna click next. Then you have to click on next. You don't have to make any changes here. Again click on next, and now this progress bar will be displayed. And when that is completed, your text editor is downloaded. Now I'm gonna show you that how it works. So this is the file. It will name as Sublime Text, and now you can find it out the application by clicking on the Windows button. Here it is called Sublime Text, and now you can open it, and now you can type an HTML file or JavaScript or C++, anything. Now first for HTML, I will save the file as you can give any name. I am giving it as test.html, and I'm gonna click save, and by this your Sublime text editor is downloaded, where you can type any of the codes. Now when you type HTML in anchor brackets, the whole HTML setup will be displayed. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.